So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to generate unlimited AI images for free, no sign up. So firstly, open your browser. Then go to this website. I'm gonna leave it in the description. You usually don't need an account, just scroll to the prompt box. For example, now write your prompt, like a realistic portrait. Just wait a few seconds and then click generate. The AI will create your image. You can repeat as many times as the tool allows. The model is Qwen Chat that you can find it on chat.qwen.ai. Just open it and no complex setup, just enter the prompt in the chat box and you will get the result immediately. No hassle, no sign up. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.